Hey there everyone, welcome back again to Engineering Pritam, and in this trim split body tutorial. So Creo, as we know, have now got multi-body capability from Creo 7.0, and that kind of give us more flexibility, more option to come up with a more intricate shape without too much of difficulty. So for example here, what I did is I have created two body, and this particular thicken and warp is part of body 2. So if I wanted to create this kind of profile on the top of this container through conventional way, it would be very challenging. But since we have got this body feature, I was able to warp this particular feature separately. So that's about the multi-body, but just I also wanted to, explain why one should prefer to do split trim. So let's now click here on split trim. Now here I'm gonna choose trim option because I would like to trim the excessive part. So here we need to choose body to split. So let's click here on body to split. So this is the body that I want to split, and then this is the splitting object. Okay, so I'm gonna select this, and there you go. So that's how we can split our part. Now let's say I need the another side of portion, and you simply can click here on flip side. And that's how, guys, here we can see we got other part of it. Now here let me hide this body 2 portion, and I can see the change that we have made in body 1. So in this way, guys, we can now form complicated shapes with ease inside PTC Creo Parametric. Hope guys you find this video helpful and informational. If so, then please make sure you subscribe to Engineering Pritam to follow more such tutorials related to various engineering topics, and I will catch you soon with one such another video. Till then, you take care and bye bye.